A concerning report has emerged about Archive.today, a popular web archiving service. Observers noticed certain pages generating repeated requests to a third-party blog, resembling a DDoS-style flood. The investigation first appeared on Gyrovig, where logs revealed JavaScript running in visitors' browsers was triggering these requests. On platforms like Hacker News, users found randomized parameters that prevent caching, forcing servers to treat every request as unique. While Archive.today is vital for research, this behavior raises concerns about unintentional traffic loads on independent sites. For website owners, it's critical to monitor logs, implement rate limiting, and use protective firewalls. Understanding these client-side behaviors is key to protecting your site. Stay informed and stay secure.